like I think 25%-ish are lead to appointment as far as like of the leads we've got, probably 25% of them have turned into leads so far, like as far as I've answered. And then of that, we've probably had like 60% of them keep their appointments for like closed deals. And then, so we're probably sitting right around like 10 to 15% of the total have like been pitched on solar total. I think we've had
so 10 to 15% lead to close ratio.
Yeah, like
that is crazy, dude.
Or pitched, because of that 10 to 15%, we've had I think 60% of them about a failed credit, which is a little unusual. As far as I think what I've found is like failed credits always come in waves. So it's like we'll have like I had a run of 6 of them last week, and then I'm already at 2 deals on this week. And, our other guys, I've got another one today and another one tomorrow that should lock down. And then we've got a few other dudes that are like cranking. And so I think that, failed credits, that always goes in like a pendulum. So it's like always like a ton of failed credits. And then there's like equal number of deals come on the other side or more. And so I'm not too worried about it. Like
wow.
I said, kind of
1,500 spend, like so far you've done what, 8 deals so far?
Oh yeah, man. So it's a great turnaround. So
that's crazy.
Yeah, man. And then like I said, we've got a few installs that are just like right there, dude. We've got one install that's like it's like a 30 kilowatt system sold at a very high base. Like it's very pretty. It got installed this week.
No way.
Once that one hits, we'll be like super cash flow positive. And we've got a few more that we're like, I mean, we're not hurting by any means, but it's not like, hey, let's go throw 20 grand on leads.
Right.
But I think we're close. Like in the next couple of months, when these installs start hitting, it's going to be like 20, 30 grand in ad spend is not undoable, like not doable, So, especially if we're getting this kind of a turnaround on leads to the ad spend so far. So that's freaking dope, man. Because I think even with like your fee, like if we combine it all, I think right now we're sitting at like still under $20 a lead total spend out.
Which is crazy. That is pretty good. So, that is pretty good.
Yeah, that's dope, man. So
cool, brother.
Appreciate it. And let me know if you need anything else, or if you have guys that are like, hey, how do I do this or whatever else? Like you can even put people in contact with us. Sometimes like even just like a process, like they may not have a good installer or whatever else. And sometimes it gets a little janky on the back end. And phone sales are like, you've got to have a solid, reputable installer too. And so, cause people are going to read, like they're going to do their homework. So yeah, man, freaking sweet.
Cool. Appreciate it, brother.
Hey, likewise.
Take care for now, man. Take care.
All right. Yeah, we'll
say hi to the team.
All right, we'll do, man.
Take care. Bye.
Okay.